new all-time high on the Nifty should come soon. Actually, we'll start the counter also. I don't think we are very far away from an all-time high on the Nifty. So we'll try and establish it with the live counter also. We're almost at 18,600. I think 200 points more, and then you have a print of a new high on the Nifty. I'm just jogging my memory here. But it's a green. Green on the Nifty, green on the Sensex, green on the Bank Nifty. Across the board, I think markets are looking strong. And look at the market breadth. It's near perfect. It is near perfect. You are going towards the new high, and you're going towards the new high with strong market breadth. So the market in a sense is getting a push for itself so that it can really make a new high. And that I think is the most beautiful part of this market, that you are marching towards a new high. And the zing in the market actually is also coming from the tone and tonality in terms of where the market breadth is at.
Absolutely, the mid-cap index has managed to scale a fresh record high as we speak. The small-cap index was at 52-week high levels. It's trending higher, so of course a fresh 52-week high as far as the small-cap index is concerned. And look at that impressive market breadth. 1,400 stocks advancing to 183 stocks declining. All the sectors have opened in the green. It's the realty space which is leading from the front. So the likes of Lodha, Mahindra Lifespace are some of the counters to watch out for. The global rally is also impacting the metals today. So Hindalco, Adani Enterprises, Jindal Stainless, these are the counters which are doing well, and the banking names are also seeing quite a bit of bounce back. Look at AU Small Finance Bank. After Chris Wood has added it to his portfolio, AU Small Finance Bank has also started in the green with a gain of around 0.8%. In terms of the broader markets, need to highlight what's happening with Info Edge. Remember, the company had already taken the impairment of around that 280 crore rupees on account of 4B, but now they have initiated a forensic audit. So Info Edge is the stock which is in focus on account of that. Biocon has opened with a cut of almost 2.5%. Infosys, of course, is seeing that technical reaction because it goes ex-dividend today. Separately, you have the auto names which are doing quite well. Case in point being Hero Moto, which has started with quite a bit of gusto. You have Maruti also reacting to a good set of numbers coming in as far as the May performance is concerned. Cyient continues its up move after that solid rally that we have seen over the last 2 to 3 sessions. Cyient is again higher by 5% today. Zomato also trending with a gain of around 2.5%. And then you have other IT names like KPIT Tech, etc., which are also doing well. So while not much to complain at all at this point of time, there are comfortably more gainers than losers.
Again, it's the broader markets that are taking the lead. Yes, you highlighted some of those mid-cap IT names, but on the flip side as well, I just want to identify some losers. Edelweiss Financial, Ashok Leyland, Amara Raja, something like Biocon as well, Brigade Enterprises. Those are some of the stocks that are a little bit under pressure in today's trading session. But by and large, it's a healthy start to the markets. You've got support coming in from pretty much all quarters, I should say. Real estate, metals and auto leading the way with all sectoral indices in the green. No wonder then that the breadth is reflecting clearly in favor of the gaining side. Let's get in a sense as to what our chartists make of the market move at 18,554. Your views on the index, and Kunal, your first trade.
Well, absolutely. I think it's a good open for the indices. After yesterday's negativity, especially in the second half, this seems to be a good opening for the index. We've come back about that 80,500 mark quite comfortably, and 80,600 on the futures. In terms of opening trade, I would be bullish on Pharma index. So Sun Pharma is a stock which I would look to trade in the open. It looks extremely attractive as a setup. The stock confirming a breakout above its 200-day moving average. So it looks very attractive as a setup.
So going all the way for Pharma, Sun Pharma is another stock that Kunal likes at this point of time. But what's the first trade that you are punching in, Naresh?
So that would be a buy on Mahindra and Mahindra Finance. The stock is getting into a new 52-week high. The trend still remains up. The leadership stock in the NBFC space, so expecting it to continue.